Last night no longer not taking you. Thanks. Okay, no. Push up.
I want to run for the sense.
Hey, bang. I'm going to say, can I hear profile na together mas?
Nahan. Okay, wakina umfazi wako bwangu ba usiva kanjani kwakho. Uko wakinga khona ngamba ndisiva kanjani? Dilele nendoda eshadileyo and wena uyibona ngathi lonto into right. Into ne right ngalonto.
Must there's nothing wrong on le motho marata mas. I thought
buka ngikhayeke lento. Please. Ucabangani? Lirato whether ndiyakuthanda or andikuthandi lonto ayichazi ba lento senzile right. I-wrong.
I can understand the way. Nana get enjoy spend na go lena and honni mo ka ke spend na go lena ne get maybe into it ira happy.
Uchatile nomfazi wakho. And mina ndizama uchitha umtshato wakho kodwa wena ubona ku happy kumnandi. Hayi.
So feel that way no. Couple on the place. So feel that way. Everything erasing as a fall down and a bulelo as a matona norkian. She's a poison. Like Linyalo Lagala and a little toxic. We are gonna go to everything linked to a nainaga. Narpelar will. Sometimes non torture.
Torture? Kanjan?
For now, I will send that into details. Copelos Cafila bed, everything erasing as a fall down.
But still.
Listen, Shaper gave us Lenya Laga, Libulelo, Laranjis Gabato di Barren, Nersaratane, Nelintawan Notawan. So, Eva Kecha, and Mzoida Hilem Zodiaca. Nabatana Gregewan. So, Hupang understand that no.
So, shut because of the parents.
Mama, I'm fulele. You finish at I am.
But ndisalele utanga chat even.
Salele. Kodwa yathetha nabantu.
Ndithetha nefone bali. Ndiyeza kwami.
So, mañana, one head.
Hayi, andikuhide babe. Jonga ndifuna umbala find out ngathi kanje and I'm not ready to bandimxelele. Umbali undazi ndinonyakalo so I'm not ready to introduce enye indoda futhi.
Mara mbali ana wathatha mas. One rata ene.
Yeah, uyakuthanda umbali. Yes, ndithi ndivula amanzi sihlambe and then uhambe yo check ubulelo kunjani mfazi wakho. Nomntana.
Napageri wona bulelo.
Yes, but you have to do it for umntana wakho. 10. Ne? Ndizohamba ndovula amanzi. Bathu. Masam sehlamba. Natsoba o shetse ga nnyane fela gore buntu o be waka. Nna lona re be ntwe tee go shetse ga nnyane fela. Kore ke a tepotša gore re tla nkera ba mmogo nna le wena mara buntu. Ke mang? Mbali. Ke tlo mmontšha. Oh, okay babe. Ke go emetse ene o tsebe gore ke tshwere ke tlala. Ke emetse gore o fitlhele dijo.
Baby?
See you soon. Oh, hi Mbali. Akho bona go tsela.
Kahle ngibani?
Ga ke tsebe gore o bolela kae.
Intombazane iphendule. ngubani like ufuna nani umuntu
Mbali, ga ke tseba gore o bolela kae? What are you talking about?
usukele apho usuka khona waza apha ba uzomosha impilo zethu uzogena ntoni after yonke le uzogena ntoni khona ntombazana ntoni nento uxoxa uthi wena nobuntu nezi-cousins
Family. Look who's a fool here. Kokwala bohloko, I feel sorry for you, Shane.
so wena nobuntu nadate
I ke tsebe gore go fetole ke reng ebile.
ye
Don't you dare put your hand on me again. O tlo bona le side le leng aka lo sa letsebeng.
uzokwenzani uzolwa
Try me when you're Xhosa.
jonga ntombazana mna ndintombazana uxhosa ndawucumza ntombazana ukhuphela amazinyo uthi papa ifafa liqalela
Ha. Uy, ay, re tla nke ra bona.
aqhika bubi
Atsakin. Ay.
yes
Sithando sami. Wenzakaleni waphinda lo mtanto nje ukwatelene la?
yes baby ngiyaxolisa bendisasebhizi na-something
Ngento busasebhizi ngayo. Manje baby mina ngikhumbulile so bengithi lalela-ke sithando sami ngithi ngabanjani namuhla ngize lapha ekhayeni kuzokulala ekhayeni bese ngikhumbuleka.
nami ngiyakhumbula ngizakubona later
Ngilena kanjalo ukuthi ngizobona ntamba. Okay, sunshine. Ngiyakuthanda baby. Okay, bye bye.
okay bye wena ntombazana isikaqi nonsense
What the fuck? You almost dropped my phone. Which way you going?
No, can I please talk to you?
Don't touch me.
Man, I've never seen anyone this town. It's beautiful.
Oh, okay. I know that I'm beautiful. What do you want from me?
Okay, straight to the point. I like you, girl, you know?
Nah, don't touch me. I'm not into boys.
What do you mean not into
I only
boys?
date girls, bruh.
What do you mean not? We don't
Get
date
the
girls.
fuck out of my way.
Is that how y'all treat men these days? Damn, shit is crazy. Yeah, Malu. Ngizoyirata wine, ne? Tshwara sentle ke go.
Yabona msana wami. Mfana wami. Yabona namhlanje ngitheke ngikubonisa indawo wena.
Yeah.
Wena ndoda ne. Njengoba ngazi ukuthi ngizohlala khona la empilweni yakho. Yabona le ndawo le oyibona go le. Indawo yami nomalume wakho ngoye. Besiphila sikhona la.
Yeah.
Nasibuhlabawo mfana wami.
Ha ne malume nna ke re ko leboga man. Go nna mo gwera go nna wait. A go bonolo go fitla plekeng o reng ga o itse ke motho.
Khululeka ngaleyo mfana wami ke sikhulume ke izinto ezibalulekileko ngoba sekudala ufikile endaweni khoso mfana ukhona sombonileko la phela ngifuna ufana nomalume wakho lo ungweke hayi yabona lo amantombazana hayi yinja nekade hayi bakafuni next
Yeah.
malume wakho
Hayi, yena o teng man malume. Ene ba itse o montle. O smart. Fela ga bontshe ana le interest malume wait.
Mfana wami yazobona ke kala inhliziyo yakhe iphukile ngithuza izinto ezincane wena yabona ngizokufundisa into ongayazi yabona amantombazana kanjalo mfana wami enza ngathi akekho la ku kahle vela adinga isikhathi sakho wena kula ungena khona ungalahlela ithawula mfana wami wena kuzomela ufakelele yabona ngiyabona de amehloka ngakhona uthi le ntombazana uyayithanda le okhuluma ngayo ngabe ukuthi ngiyamazi mara ukuthi ubani uhlala kuphi nakho phela thina sesila mhlawumbe nganceda ngale ntombazana okhuluma ngayo bona lesi smile leso ngiyasazi awusho kwenzakalani yini le
Speaking of Kiana texting.
Yena le ntombazana sikhuluma ngayo. Uthini? Ngitheni kuwe mshana? Ngithe ngathi amantombazana anjalo. Adinga isikhathi sakho. Ngisakhuluma nawe nje nami ukhona lo usangilindile usunshine wami lapha endlini. Nalento le. Hawu. Hayi, njengoba ngathi ngizwile manje ngicela kube indlela. Wena hamba ulungise izinto zakho lezo mshana wami yabona.
Tole ke malume wayi.
Angathi uzobona nandini ndoda mara. Uzangibamba.
Right malume.
Uzangishiya endlini manje.
Alright manje, risipile malume. Hey, yabantu botha.
Buntu. I wonder what Utlanaganan when he wakes up next to me. Malume, I'm scared.
Baby. Baby, I'm so late. Baby, oh yeah, baby. Baby, baby. Aslan, baby, Aslan.
Last night I couldn't sleep. I was scared. And then you said it's That's fine,
ngane yami usuthi ananto embiyenzakalileko phakathi kwami nawe ngisho ngoba hey
well you tried to kiss me and I pushed you because ngeke ngomba ngiyodwa
ngane yami ngiyatolisa ngitakiwe ngane yami ngiyatolisa
and there's more we did.
Siyamali, hayi uthini kimi mara? Ngaso sesiyothini ngaka wena. Hayi, ngane. Ngane ngiyamoya. Ngiyamoya ngane yami.
Malume, rekabulela ka yona. It's not like
Ngane ngiyamoya.
Malume, rekabulela. Bali! Oh my god, it's been a long time. What the fuck? I thought you'll be happy to see me. What's wrong?
Happy? Hey, why not so pretend as if I always know it's open?
What's up? Were you crying? What's going on? Can we sit down and talk about this? You should be happy to see me. What's wrong? Like, what the fuck?
When I
What's up?
so pretend as if I was like you. Wow, wafuna umuntu enanimthanda, and now ubuya uzopretend as if akhonto eyenzakalayo between mina nawe.
Okay, I get it.
It told me ansazifuna
Please give me a chance to explain to you everything. Okay, I get you are mad at me. I get everything. I get ukuthi bengifuna umuntu bomfuna and all that. But then that's not the point. This is about our friendship. Are you gonna let that man get in us? Like, what the fuck? Think about it, Bali. And besides, I'm no longer into guys anymore. Like, I'm into girls, you know what I'm saying? That's why, like, I've transformed and all that. It's been a long time. Like, you've been gaining weight. What's up, man? Like, you should be happy to see me.
Yeah, man, yes, and nalo nyaka lo sana wa end up asayidisha nomama.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I knew he's a player. I knew. Anyways, like, give me a hug. What? I miss you so much. I love this, you know, like, it's nice, you know. Oh, some and the
Buya long danaga. Kana komen?
Yimi and David it's been thing a pool. Using one.
So, the coupe. Okay.
Hi. It's fine. Hi, buddy.
Sure. Emba. Lo mntana ikhona into wrong ngayo. Kwenzeka ntoni ngayo? Wayenje?
Mama, ndani kya anokela kakubi.
Ngembali. Lo mntana uthana ukukhulelwa la. He, ayingaba ngumhlolo wami ngalwayo. Lumithi selela xhego lingena kwanto.
Ekwazi.
Buga, what's wrong? We are shaking. We're shaking. Bang tools.
What's the apa? Lungana. What's a me? Njolo mpotase.
Into enhle book and it's like
Good thing. Really? Kuplo di mali for nanto e petro tlo bolela. So mona tene we enjoy. I'm letoro enjoy until langayo.
Yebo so unenhliziyo ebuhlungu because umfazi wakho ukushila. Kanti bungawuthanda awumthandela lo mfazi wakho so ubungixokisela.
So understand do you?
You understand ukuthi ba uyakhala because umfazi wakho uhambile.
Nungu, I just lost a son. This is not about Bulelo, man. And this is not about you. You know what? Whatever you don't make it.
Bugang!
Nale Bulelo, alam sa diaga. Linyalar na shit. So rufila tatui. Asa falta how. Understand? Asa falta how. Ska fila bete.
But still.
Oh, but still that cheap agala hai. Nyalar na nilale toxic. Nyar claro.
Then one bit of
Oh shit, that line. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Phil.
Yeah, guys.
Re. Shit, yo. Ay, nekuphenika thathe,